Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman with Trading Advantage with your morning market stir for Tuesday, September 10th. Well, stocks were on the move once again. We had the Dow, biggest jump in 8 weeks. We were up 1% across the board in the stock indexes. E-mini S&P finished at 1669, up 15.5. The Dow futures were up 127 at 15,035, and the Nasdaq new 13-year highs at 3165, up 35. 3175 was that new high that we'll keep an eye on. The dollar index drifted lower, down 37 at 81.80. That pushed the euro currency back above 132. 132.60 was the settlement, up 78 points. Bonds were up a half a point, 129.19, and crude oil was off a dollar at 109.52 was the close, as we're getting a little bit of clarity in that market. 110.50 was a high, 108.75 was a low, so we were off a little bit there yesterday. Gold finished unchanged at 1387. 1395 was the session high with 1382 the session low, so we had a pretty tight range, $13 range in the gold market. So after the big blast upward, where do things stand on this Tuesday morning to start a new trading day? Well, we're getting some good follow through. We're up a half a percent across the board. E-mini S&P is at 1677.5, right now up 8.5. We'll keep an eye on 1667.5. That's the midpoint from the 1705 all-time highs and 1625 lows from before. So that's a support point down below at 1667.5 to keep an eye on. Dow futures are up another 72, 15,108, and the Nasdaq continues to go, up 18.5 at 3183.5. The dollar index is up 15, 81.95, and the euro is 132.49, down 16. Bonds are drifting lower again, 128.28, down 22. 128.12 is that extreme low that we'll want to focus on and see if that support can hold. Yields have popped up. We're at 3.89% on the 30-year for yield, and we're at 2.95% on the 10-year note that people follow. Keep an eye on that 3% from a technical standpoint. Crude oil's off another 80 cents after a little bit of unwinding yesterday, 108.73, and gold's down $15 at 13.72. So to wrap up the current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we're positive once again, up a half percent, 1677.5, up 8.5 in the E-mini S&P, and up 72 at 15,108 in the Dow futures. I will see you early Wednesday morning for the morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.